Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox edits. First, import your recorded Roblox gameplay footage into After Effects. It's crucial to organize your project files neatly from the start for a smooth workflow. Next, set up your composition. A common resolution is 1920 by 1080 pixels, and make sure your frame rate, typically 30 or 60 frames per second, matches your original footage for optimal playback and editing. Now, let's dive into essential editing techniques. Begin by trimming and cutting your clips to refine the video's pacing and remove any unwanted sections. Basic color correction can significantly enhance your footage, making colors pop or creating a specific mood. Incorporate simple transitions between scenes to ensure a smooth and professional flow. Mastering keyframes is vital for precise control over animations, allowing you to animate properties like position, scale, and opacity with accuracy. To elevate your Roblox edits, explore advanced effects. Motion tracking allows you to attach graphics or text to moving objects within your footage, adding dynamic elements. Masking is a powerful tool for isolating specific areas, enabling targeted effects or compositing. Don't hesitate to experiment with various visual effects plugins. They can offer unique looks and save time. Crafting custom text animations will make your titles and captions more engaging and professional, adding a polished touch to your video. Finally, it's time to polish and export your masterpiece. Synchronize your audio, including music and sound effects, with your visual edits to maximize impact. Carefully adjust all audio levels to achieve a balanced and clear sound mix, ensuring nothing is too loud or too quiet. When exporting, choose optimal settings for high-quality output, typically a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels and a frame rate of 30 or 60 frames per second. Render your final video in a widely compatible format like MP4.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.